In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Ninjatrader notifications. By the end, you'll know how to create clear, reliable alerts so you can stay on top of price moves without staring at your screen all day. First, open a chart. Alerts in Ninjatrader are tied to the specific instrument and chart you're looking at, so make sure you've got the right market and time frame loaded. If you use multiple charts, it helps to create alerts on the one that best reflects how you trade, whether that's a 1-minute chart or a daily chart. Now right-click anywhere on the chart's price area. This opens the context menu where Ninjatrader keeps many of the chart-specific tools you'll use most often. If you happen to right-click on a drawing object or indicator pane, simply try again on the main price panel to ensure you see the chart options you need. From that menu, click Alerts. This brings up the Alerts interface, where you'll manage all notifications tied to this chart. You can see any existing alerts here, and this is where you'll create new ones and fine-tune their behavior. Click Add to create a new alert. Think of this as the starting point for telling Ninjatrader exactly what to watch for and how to notify you when it happens. Next, set the condition. As an example, choose Price Crosses level. This is a simple, powerful trigger that activates when the live price moves from one side of your chosen level to the other. You can typically specify whether you want the price crossing above, crossing below, or simply crossing either direction. Pick the option that matches the setup you're monitoring. Enter the value or price level you want Ninjatrader to watch. This could be a key support or resistance level, a breakout price, or a round number. If you're not sure where to start, glance at recent highs or lows and use those levels to frame your alert. Precision matters, so double-check the number, especially if the market has many decimal places. Now choose your alert actions. Select Play Sound. If you want an audible cue, this is great when you're at your desk and need an immediate heads up. Choose Show Pop-up for an on-screen reminder that's hard to miss, even if your speakers are low. And pick Send Email if you want to get notified while you're away from the platform. Make sure your platform's email settings are already configured and avoid including any sensitive information in your alert messages. That's it. You've created a focused, actionable notification in Ninjatrader. Repeat these steps for other instruments or price levels to build a simple alerting system that matches your trading plan.